Hi, I'm Tinu Vanapamula, and today I'm going to be introducing Digital Fit. Digital Fit is a brand new web application that is built with clean and minimalistic UI while maintaining lots and lots of great features. This application is built with React.js and is meant to make sure you are healthy while you're using your computer for an extended period of time. More than ever, we are spending more and more time on our digital devices. This can have many side effects such as eye strain, chronic pain, and many more. That's why it's important to maintain proper ergonomics, maintain activity, and also take frequent breaks. Now, without further ado, I would like to present my application, Digital Fit. To start, head over to fit.tinu.tech. Once on the website, click on Get Started, and in the configurator, you can go ahead and change which reminders you want and which reminders you don't. For example, you can turn off the move brake and water brake. I'm just going to leave everything on its defaults and click on Start. Then click on Allow Notifications, and then on the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the reminders you have alongside their countdowns. Now, let's leave this application in the background and get some work done. 20 minutes later, I'm still working, and I get this notification. Clicking on the notification, you can go ahead and see that it pops up the eye brake timer. This eye brake timer is set for 20 seconds, so it'll go ahead and rotate around for 20 seconds. After the 20 seconds, you should hear a charm. Then the timer's going to restart. Now in the statistics page, you can go ahead and see all the times that you've used this application and the duration. This will include the date and the duration in which you use this application. Next, in the tools page, you have 3 different unique tools. The first of which is the breathing exercise. So clicking on Start, you'll be guided by this geometric figure. Next, the ergonomics lesson, which includes a nice lesson by a professional on how to set up your desk ergonomically. Next, we have the desk exercises. Clicking on that, it'll provide 6 different desk exercises that you can do. This can also be triggered right after the move brake reminder based on this configuration setting in the configurator. Last but not least, we have the Learn More page. In the Learn More page, you can go ahead and see a description of the application and the problem it's addressing. Additional features of the application include dark mode, which will change the theme of the whole application to be dark, and the sound icon, which will turn off and turn on sound effects. All in all, Digital Fit is a great application to stay healthy while using your digital devices for an extended period of time. Thank you.